How to fix Snapchat something went wrong photos. In this video guys, I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps option. Here you should search for Snapchat. Open Snapchat like this when you found it, and then what you should do, go to storage option, and here you go to clear data, click OK and go back, click on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next, you have now to go to your Play Store and update your Snapchat if it's not updated. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. Let's see you in another video.